Today, I'll walk you through how to motion track in Capcut on your PC, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create dynamic motion tracking effects so you can elevate your video editing skills. Let's dive right in. First, open Capcut on your desktop and navigate to the Media section. This is where you'll begin your project. It's like opening the front door to your creative workspace. Next, click on the Import button to upload your video file. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your motion tracking project. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to fix the position and head over to the text section. Here you'll drag and drop the default text onto the editor. Think of this as placing a marker on a map. It will guide your motion tracking. Make sure to adjust the text so that it covers the entire video. This will ensure that your tracking dot is prominent throughout the clip. Now, change the text to a simple dot. This dot will serve as the focal point for your motion tracking. Position the dot in the center of your video and adjust its size to your preference. This is where the magic happens. You want it to be just the right size to track your object effectively. Now, play the video until you reach the point where you want to start the motion tracking. This is like setting the stage for a performance. Timing is everything. Next, zoom in and adjust the video to position the object you're tracking within the dot you added. This step is essential for accurate tracking, so take your time to get it right. Now, click the Add Keyframe option on the transform settings. This is where you begin to create the motion tracking effect. As you play the video, adjust the position so that the tracked object remains within the dot. Keyframes will automatically be added as you make these adjustments, capturing the movement of your object. Once you're satisfied with the tracking, click on the text in the editor and delete it. This will leave you with a clean video that showcases your motion tracking skills. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to motion track in Capcut on your PC. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.